What's up, everybody? Wayne Barron here with Dark Effect Studios, and it's been a while since I've done anything, and so I'm going to start doing vlogs, or at least I'm going to try to. It all depends on the mood that I'm in. One thing I wanted to talk about is something I've been seeing a lot of different um, creators here on YouTube, and that is the fact that YouTube is running a bunch of ads on their videos. And everybody is pretty much bashing YouTube for this. Now, I'm going to talk about my perspective. Now, keep in mind one thing. All of my channels are demonetized. My son died in a car accident October the 12th of 23. Whenever that happened, about 8 months after that, I couldn't do anything. I just wasn't in the mood to doing videos and putting out stuff. The only thing that I was in the mood to do was work on the website that I started designing for me and my son. So during that time, since I wasn't uploading any videos, all of my channels got demonetized. So it wasn't anything that I had done bad. It was just the fact that I was not uploading content to keep it relevant on the platform. But anyway, that aside, let's talk about the ads on YouTube. Now, YouTube is the biggest platform for creators to put out their content and to make money, correct? That's the biggest reason why we do it, is to make a revenue. Now, how do we make money off from YouTube? We make money off YouTube by the ads. Now, why would a creator put out a video complaining about the ads that are paying the creator money? That I have never understood that. I've never understood it. They're pushing all of these ad blockers. Okay, let's think about this. Okay, let's stop all the BS and let's think about this for one moment. Let's say that everybody goes on to YouTube and they download some crappy ad blocker, right? Now, everybody that visits YouTube downloads the ad blocker, okay? So every video view, all the ads are blocked. What does this mean for YouTube? Zero income revenue coming in from ads because the ads are not being seen. If the ads are not being seen, then YouTube's not making no money. Number two, the creator that made that video, since the ad blocker is blocking ads from being seen by the viewer, then YouTube's not making no money. The creator will not make any money. Okay, so let's look at TV. Okay, before the internet, before all that stuff, you're sitting down with your family, you're watching TV. What happens unless you got cable? So we're not worrying about cable TV. That's something you have to pay for. Okay, so regular TV. You're watching TV, and what happens about every 10 minutes? I'd say every 7 to 10 minutes, there is commercials, ads. So these commercials are playing to pay for you to watch TV for free. Okay, so if there was no commercials, then you would have to pay for it. Cable TV, satellite, okay? So you're paying cable TV to be able to watch these channels, HBO, Showtime, Cinemax, and whatever, to be able to watch all these channels without ads running on them. Now, YouTube. So if YouTube, what YouTube does, YouTube has to where you can pay to where there's no ads running. Okay, so you can pay for that. Now, there's a lot of streaming services. You got YouTube, you got Netflix, you've got Amazon Prime, you've got all this stuff. Okay, so you put all that together and you're going to be paying more for your online entertainment than you would for cable TV or satellite. So it's really not a win-win situation anymore, unless you can find one that will give you a lot of content for little monthly payments. The only one that I found that does that is Friendly. So Friendly to me is one of the best platforms out there for the lowest amount of money that you pay every month. Now, I'm not affiliated with none of these. So if y'all go check out Friendly, that's awesome. That's great. It's a great it's a great platform to watch your shows on. And because I signed up with them whenever they only had like, I think it was 4 or 5 channels. That's when I first signed up with them. Now they've got, I think 40 or 50 channels now. So they are growing. But back to YouTube and the creators complaining about the ads. Now think about this, creators, okay? Don't get pissed off. Don't get mad at me for pointing out the facts, okay? Like they say, facts don't care about your feelings. Ads run for a reason. Ads run so you can get paid. If no ads run, then you don't get paid. That means that you lose all of your revenue on the platform, which means that you're posting your videos for free for everybody to enjoy, and you make $0. That means you got to go out and get you a real job instead of sitting in front of a camera talking. I've been out of the revenue stream of YouTube for a year for my Dark Effects channel, the one we're on right now. It's been over a year or a year. I think it went down. It went down at the end of 24. So November or October to December of 24, somewhere around that frame is whenever I lost my revenue from YouTube. Okay, so 2025, nothing. All right. And as you can tell by the channel, I haven't uploaded hardly anything. It's because I'm just not really, I haven't been productive except at working on the website project that I was designing for me and my son, which is a music site. That's the only thing that I've been interested in doing. And that's something for me and my son. Even though he's not here no more, it's something for me and my son. So I will continue to develop that. So that's the only thing that I've been interested in. YouTube has just been, I haven't been video productive. Now, I have tried. I've got several videos that I've been working on, lessons and so forth, but I haven't been in the right mindset. Even though it's been almost 2 years since my son's been gone, I just haven't been in the right mindset to concentrate on that. And to be honest with you, for the last couple of weeks, I haven't even hardly touched my website. I just haven't been in that mindset. And when you lose somebody, you go through these different emotions and stuff. And whenever you're doing a YouTube channel or anything that can potentially make you money, you will fall. You will fail because you're not able to produce what you used to do. Because if you look back at my channel several years ago, I was producing several videos per week and I was doing pretty good. And I wasn't making a lot of money. I've never made a lot of money on YouTube. I used to do pretty decent back in like between 2012 to 2015, I think it was, somewhere around that, them several years there. I was doing pretty decent. Not massively good, but I was doing decent. Until Google messed up or YouTube messed up, somebody messed up and they were putting products on videos that should not have been there, and Google lost billions of dollars worth of ad revenue. And so we suffered from it. All the creators suffered from it, especially your lower tier, your people that were like me, because I didn't have a lot of subscribers. My videos wasn't getting a lot of views, and so but I was doing decent until that happened. But back to this ad thing. If you want to support your content creators, okay, so there's 2 ways to support. Well, there could be more, but I'm just going to list 2 ways. 2 ways to support your content creators. Number 1, watch the ads. Click the skip button once the skip button shows up. Don't complain about it, and don't download an ad blocker. Because when you download an ad blocker and you block the ads on YouTube, then you stop the creator from making money. And for the creators out there that are complaining about this and that are supporting the ad blockers, you are taking money out of your own pocket. So don't complain whenever you see that your money is dwindling down. That's because you promoted the ad blockers. That's your fault. You messed up. So stop complaining. Number two, if the YouTuber has affiliate links, even if that's not the product that you want, help them, support them by clicking on the links that are usually down in the description. I've got several in mind for the cameras that I'm using, the mics that I'm using, the lights and stuff. I mean, near about everything I've got here, I purchased through Amazon. And so I've got my Amazon affiliate links down bottom. And so, but that's pretty much what it comes down to, is that ads are a necessity in order for people like myself, whenever I was making money on YouTube, to make money on YouTube, on any platform that you're on that runs ads. If you want to get paid, them ads have to run. If you support and you promote ad blockers, then you're taking money out of your own pocket. So to all of my buddies out of China that are running YouTube, successful YouTube channels, I mean huge YouTube channels out of China, y'all are promoting something that's going to be taking money out of your pocket. And the way that this software is designed, I don't trust it. It's about like that one program, what was it, Honey? And that scares the crap out of me. So whatever, I mean, I don't make any money off from I don't make no money off from YouTube at all, period, off of none of my channels. But I've got my affiliate link. So you got Honey, and you click on the link and you go there and you go to buy, and then Honey takes over my sale, so I don't make no money. I was doing pretty decent with my Amazon affiliate links. I was making money every single month until all of a sudden it just dropped. And then all of a sudden I'm not making no money. So for, I finally got paid like $13 last month. First time in like 6 or 8 months off of my Amazon affiliate links. $13. And I was used to doing anywhere between $50 to $200 a month. And now it's $13. So that means that people that's been going on and watching my videos, if they have been clicking on my links, their program, whatever they're using, is taking over that link. So it wouldn't surprise me, because see, these ad blockers, you can donate to them, because most of them are free. You can donate to them, and that's how you pay for them. But some of them I don't trust to be something that won't hijack these affiliate links. I mean, if Honey can do it, I'm pretty daggone sure that there's other programs out there that do it as well. Ads are a necessity for the YouTube creator. Yes, it can be annoying. And if you are on a smart TV and you're watching it through like Roku or so forth, you can't, they will run up to a 60-minute ad. And so that'll give you time to get up, go in yonder, fix you something to drink, run to the bathroom real quick, and come back in and then watch your show. Okay, so it's pretty much back to the Stone Age. Before there was internet, before there was YouTube, there was regular TV, and that's what we did. A commercial would come on, we'd go get something to drink, something to snack on, run to the bathroom, do whatever we needed to do, go make a quick phone call or see who might have called, and then we'd come back right about the time that the show would start back up. We didn't complain about it then, but yeah, everybody wants everything right now. And that is not the way that the real world works. In order to make money, you gotta have some sacrifices. So the sacrifice that you're making to be able to go onto YouTube and watch these videos that are wonderful, a lot of them are really good videos, are very informative, they teach you stuff. You learn more on YouTube than you do on the mainstream media. But you have to deal with the ads. Just sit down, talk to your parents, okay? Talk to your parents, say, Mom, Dad, Granddaddy, Grandmama, what was it like when you watched TV? Did you have to deal with all these ads? They're going to probably look over at you and not understand what you're talking about, depending on if they're on the internet. So you change the ads to commercials. Did you have to watch a lot of commercials on TV? Oh, heavens, yes, we did. It's exactly what they're going to say to you. Okay, so that's how I grew up. So it doesn't bother me to see these ads. And sometimes I'll be watching Roku, YouTube, and I'm like, I can't skip. And it's an ad that I've already seen 2 or 3 times that day. I don't want to see it again. But the only way to get away from that is to get a monthly subscription. And I've canceled all my subscriptions. I don't have no more subscriptions now. I can't afford it right now. Everything has gone to crap in my family, so I can't do nothing right now. And so, but keep that in mind to all of these YouTubers out there, all you content creators. If you want to continue making money, then stop promoting these ad blockers, because it's going to take money out of your pocket. It's going to take money out of the small creators' pockets. Once I can get myself back up to where I can start with monetization of my channel again, which the only thing I've got to do, I've got the subscriber base, so that's taken care of. I just don't have the hours. So once I can get the hours back up, then I am monetized again. But right now, I'm not monetized. So the only money that I'll make is if y'all are generous enough to go down yonder and click on a link and you're not using Honey or any other program that's going to hijack my affiliate links and take money out of the pocket that I desperately, desperately need right now. So that's it. Stop complaining about the ads. Watch the ads. Hit the skip button whenever it shows up. And, you know, support the content creators. And for all you content creators that are promoting these programs, you're taking money out of your own pocket. You're taking money out of the smaller people's pocket. Like I said, if everybody uses the ad blocker, you don't make no money. Neither does YouTube. What is Google going to do? If everybody used an ad blocker, Google would shut down YouTube. Plain and simple. Because if they're not making no money, they're not going to be able to afford to pay the millions of dollars a month that it costs to run that website. Because you're looking at millions of dollars. Netflix, I think it's Netflix, or is it Spotify? Well, one of them is paying several $1 million a month to Amazon for the cloud for that service. So imagine what Google pays for YouTube, and YouTube is bigger than Amazon, bigger than Netflix and Spotify put together plus some. So they're probably paying just in power alone, plus the employees to run all this stuff. If you run ad blockers, you take money out of their pocket, which means that they can no longer afford to support to pay you. I am Wayne Barron. This is Dark Effect Studios. Help support the content creators. Stop using ad blockers and stop complaining about it to all the content creators out there. Unless you just want to shut down your channel and not worry about it no more. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.